Hey guys, it's Carolyn from All Day I Dream About Food, and today I have a quick and easy tutorial for you on how to make your own sunflower seed flour. Now try saying that 10 times fast. Sunflower seed flour, sunflower seed flour, sunflower seed flour. A lot of readers ask me how they can make my almond flour recipes nut-free, and many people wonder if it can be made with coconut flour. Unfortunately, coconut flour and almond flour are so different that you have to change the recipe significantly, and it may or may not work out. Sunflower seed flour, on the other hand, can be used for one-to-one replacement with almond flour, and it's a perfect nut-free alternative. However, if you buy sunflower seed flour, it can cost as much as $12 a pound, whereas I went to Whole Foods and bought organic sunflower seeds for $3.99 a pound. So it's much more cost-effective to make your own sunflower seed flour, and I'm going to show you how. You are going to need two special pieces of equipment for this. Fortunately, they are things you may already have around your own home, and if you don't, you can pick them up pretty easily and inexpensively. What I have here is a very basic coffee grinder. Nothing special, nothing fancy, costs about $20, and I found it to be the best thing for catching all the seeds and grinding them up properly. I also have a sieve for sifting the flour. This sieve has a relatively open weave, so little bits of the flour can fall through, but also keep the larger bits inside so I can re-grind them. So here I have about a cup of sunflower seeds, and I'm just going to pour that right into my coffee grinder and grind it up. You can see here on top it's nice and powdery, and so I'm going to move my coffee grinder out of the way and grab myself a bowl and my sieve and pour it all in there. Some of it likes to get stuck right in the bottom, so I just take a small spatula, you could use a spoon or anything, and get it in there. And then I just shake it back and forth over my bowl, getting out the finely ground little bits and leaving in the larger pieces. Then you can take all of these pieces and put them back in your coffee grinder and re-grind them up until you have very few little pieces that won't grind. You can keep doing this until basically there's so little that it won't grind anymore. Or you can put more sunflower seeds in and just keep going and make yourself plenty of sunflower seed flour. And there you have it, my friends. In a few short minutes, you have a great nut-free alternative to almond flour. And it can be used to replace almond flour in so many recipes. I've used it in muffins, I've used it in cakes, I've used it in my favorite crackers, and I've even used it in my famous keto Thin Mints. One final word about sunflower seed flour. There is something in the sunflower seeds which reacts with baking soda or baking powder, and it can produce a funny green color in some baked goods as they cool. You can actually offset this reaction with a tablespoon of acid, such as lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. And if you happen to be making something that's chocolate, you're never going to notice the green anyway, as the chocolate covers it up, so no worries there. Ready to have some nut-free fun in the keto kitchen? I highly recommend trying your hand at making your own sunflower seed flour. It's delicious, inexpensive, and completely nut-free. Now go make yourself some nut-free chocolate cookies.